Breathing, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Recognize the entering of the breath. Recognize the exit of the breath. The breath now recognized, now felt, entering and then exiting the body. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Recognizing and feeling the breath enter the body, exit the body, unforced, carrying no commentary. The simple breath entering the simple space of the body. Eventually, we deepen our understanding and recognize that the mind enters and inhabits the body just as the breath, just as readily, just as unconsciously, just as often, and that the mind can leave the body just as the breath does, just as often, just as readily, just as unconsciously. So the breath, metaphor for mind, entering the body, and we exhale, the mind leaves the body, leaving the body empty of thought, but not consciousness, empty of action of the mind, but not aliveness of the mind. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, at whatever rate, to whatever degree of ease you may achieve. Inhale, exhale. Inhale the mind, exhale the mind. Thank you.